Now we're going to check out this Alliance 395 DS. This one was requested by Dave Mullins from TexasFamily.life. If you haven't seen their channel, go over there and check them out. They're really good. Now let's go check it out.
It's a 2-bedroom, y'all. It's amazing.
Hello and welcome back. If it's your first time here, I'm Scott.
And I'm Allison.
And we are
Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.
We're full-time RVers. We do destination videos, tips and tricks, and all things RV. That sounds like something you'd like. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and come along on our journeys. We'll start here at the outside as usual, guys. They have different latches than I'm used to. Instead of opening upward, they open a little bit sideways there and open that way, but it's pretty cool. Pretty standard garage area here. Pretty decent size, so you can fit a lot of stuff in there, not bad at all. Work our way back up towards the front. Not even going to bother with this, that's just your propane. And then up here for the pin box, they have the Kurt Rotaflex pin box. I don't know much about it, but if you wanted to, you could research that and check it out. Now let's look under the nose cap here. It looks like it is a generator prepped area here. They don't currently have a generator in this one. On this side, they have all your hydraulics for your slides and your leveling system. Now on this side, you have another propane door here. And here's the other door for the other side of the storage area. Let's check it out. So it's on struts, and I'm not very tall, guys. I'm only 5'8", and it's like I can hit my head on it. So here's the other side of the storage area here. Pretty decent. I am not really a big fan of the wet bay here. It has a little tiny lip, but not not much. So if you do get any kind of drips, it could overspill that pretty quickly and easily. All right, let's continue down the non-camping side. We have the opening for your water heater and your furnace, and again you can get into here, which I really like, instead of having to go through the interior to get your furnace out. Has the 90-degree elbow here on your 50 amp power cord. And there's one other thing out here that's a little different than the other ones. Let's check out this other door right here. When I first looked in here, I didn't quite know what it was, but if you look up here at the top, you can see kitchen countertop. So that is a hole for trash. You'll throw your trash in here, and down here is where your can will go. That's pretty interesting.
All right, y'all, come on in. Let's take a peek. We're gonna start at the nose of the fifth wheel, and that's the master bedroom. Here's your master bedroom closet, and it does have lots of room in here. And let's see if I can find a light. There is a little click light right here. And there's plenty of room for hanging space, lots of storage. You do have the option of washer or dryer. It is prepped for washer dry hookups. You'd have one on one side of the closet and one on the other. This is a king size bed, and you can see on each end you have your USB charging ports and your regular outlets. Nice colors in this one, very neutral. And they do have here your TV and some little hidden storage right here. You have 6 drawers. And this is an emergency exit. Now into the bathroom. You can come into the bathroom from this door that leads into the bedroom, or from this door for your guest. And we're going to start here. Here's your storage cabinet here, lots of room. The toilet does have the soft close. Medicine cabinet, your room for washing hands, brushing teeth and all. Storage under here as well. And then look at this shower. Isn't that pretty? You have your handheld and your seat for shaving your legs, ladies. That is nice. Now we're downstairs in the kitchen. We're going to start over here. You have your control panel here, and then your cabinets. Whoops. This is your generator switch. Lots of prep space here. You have plugs underneath. You have the Insignia 4-burner residential style stove and oven. You can fit your turkey in there. And there's a storage drawer underneath as well. This is a nice little U-shaped kitchen. You don't have to move very far. You can do everything just by turning around. It's pretty nice. And of course you've got plenty of storage up here, your microwave oven. The cabinets do have the soft close hinges. This is where you put your trash. Scott showed you the outside door where the trash can goes. Big deep solid surface counters, big deep sink, and you have your storage underneath. This one does come with a little roller for your dish drying rack. And here is a Norcold 12 volt only refrigerator. It does not run on propane. It is 12 volt. It is very roomy inside. This door is a little weird to open, but look at all that space. And then your pull-out freezer in here, sliding drawers so that you can have it organized. Very nice. And I love this pantry. Look at this. That is a deep pantry. Light pops on when you open the door. Lots of room in there. Now, just past the refrigerator, here's your dining table. Only 2 chairs are here. I don't know if it does come with 2 extras, but look at all these windows here. You can sit dinner and just look at whatever view you have. Very nice. It does have the blackout shade here on all of the windows, except for the one behind the stove because that's a fire hazard. Now you have your television. Look at these cabinets up here. Put all kinds of DVDs or whatever up there. Fireplace, radio, and you have lots of room for seating, for entertaining. These are Kensington love seats and lots of room here. The one thing that I noticed that I do not like is that there aren't any cup holders, so you'd have to have like a coffee table or something to put your drinks on, I believe. And look, there's more storage up here, and it's tall enough so that whenever you're getting up or down, you're not going to bump your head on it, but lots of room here. You have your little Alliance logo here. So the love seat on the left does have the kick out reclining. This one has a bed, so there you can't kick your feet out, but it does make into a little bed. Look at this door here. Talk about using every bit of space. You have a shelf in here, so look at all that room. You could even hide a kid in there. And here's a ladder up to the loft. You see you have a little bit of headroom up there. It's a nice large loft, or storage if it was us. And here we go. Here is the second bedroom. This is a full or queen size bed. You do have your end tables with charging on both sides and the blackout curtains in here as well. And over here on both sides you have your hanging space here and 3 doors below, and you have your dresser with another hidden little cubby there, and 6 drawers here, TV up top, and the same design on this side as this side. And now into the second bathroom. I love these sliding barn style doors. And here in the bathroom, it's a little noisy, the fan's on, but you do have a full shower and nice, lots of room here. Medicine cabinet, 2 drawers here. Plenty of storage for your second bedroom.
Well, that's the Alliance 395 DS for Dave Mullins. I hope you liked it, Dave. One other thing I didn't mention, in the front bay, there is a charge controller and there is 2 panels of solar on the top that comes standard this year and forward, according to the salesman.
And we noticed on the way out that underneath the steps to the bedroom, the bottom step there is shoe storage. It's open for you to put your shoes in there, so that is a nice touch as well. Overall, I really like this one. I can't think of anything negative to say. It's great.
Hey guys. It's Dan and Becky from
Bugs on the Windshield.
and we'll see you next time on Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.